Quopi, our new platform, continues to trade on the New York Stock Exchange. Let's talk about it. As a reminder, I am not a financial planner, nor is this financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. Hi everyone, it's Gerald Cannon, and welcome back to The Journey. To stay up on everything that's happening here at The Journey, be sure and hit that subscription button if you have not already done so. Give this video a thumbs up and hit that bell to be notified of all future uploads. I will always leave links to the programs I am participating in under the video in the Show More area. If you'd like to move forward with any of those programs, be sure and take your time and do your due diligence prior to investing. Be sure and watch the video to the end, as I will link other videos. Thank you all for taking time out of your busy schedule to watch this video, and you all have a good day. Quopi continues to excel as we lock down the money and let Quopi do its thing on the New York Stock Exchange. Let's log onto the computer and see what it looks like. Team, it is July 7th. Let's check out how Quopi did on the New York Stock Exchange today. Looked like Quopi was off the chain working today. Quopi achieved a 3.03% return. That may be the highest I've seen in my time period of being with Quopi, but we will check that out shortly. Let's go ahead and look at the full day. And as soon as the full day comes up, we'll find out how Quopi's day went. They may not even have taken a lunch break today. All right, let's find out here. Okay, Quopi had quite a few trades. We'll start at the bottom. JP Morgan had a positive 0.21. General Electric, Boeing was traded twice, and the following reads on General Electric: 0.26 positive, Boeing 0.50 positive, and also 0.75 positive. Let's stroll just a little bit to the other three trades. 0.57 to the positive, JP Morgan negative 0.11, and Netflix positive 0.85. So it looks like they only had one that was off. The market was either good or Quopi was good, or both. All right, so that's how Quopi did for today. Let's review the numbers for 5 days and 10 days. Okay, everyone, our 5-day numbers are showing Our 5-day numbers are showing from our 5 trading days are showing from June 29th to 6 July. On the 29th of June, Quopi achieved a 1.71% return. On the 30th of June, Quopi achieved a 2.68% return. And on the 3rd of July, Quopi received a 1.26 return. And the 5th of July, which was yesterday, Quopi did a 2.04%. And today, Quopi achieved a 3.03. Those numbers add up to be 10.72. And when we divide that out over 5 trading days, we get a 2.14 rounded up average. All right, let's proceed to the 10 days of trading. And those numbers are as follows. On the 22nd of June, Quopi achieved a 3.52. So there's a higher amount than today. I had said I wasn't sure what the highest amount I have seen. All right, the 23rd of June, Quopi achieved a 2.08. And on the 26th of June, Quopi achieved a 2.02. And on the 27th of June, Quopi achieved a 2.82% return. And the 28th of June, Quopi achieved a 2.0 return. The 29th of June was a 1.71% return. And the 30th of June was 2.68. Then we proceed to July 3rd, which is a 1.26. The 5th of July is a 2.04. And again, for today, Quopi achieved a 3.03 0.03, which those numbers add up to be 2316. And over a 10-day trading period, Quopi has averaged 2.32%. So we have nothing but praise for how Quopi is performing on the New York Stock Exchange. Let's go over to manage funds and let's see if I have any monies that I can stake. Let's check here. All right, we will come over to stake and we will see if we have enough to stake. I'm going to check platform balance and we have that number here. I'm going to drag that down to Bitcoin and that looks like that's $25.03, as you can see there. I'm going to go ahead and hit Quopi to stake and see if that went through. As you can see, well done, contract has been successfully initiated. You have to read that quick because it will disappear on you all. So that one has a 23.59 window that is counting down now. So let me proceed over to home. And now you can see we have 12 stakes, everybody. So I'm not sure the amounts on each stake is just as much as I can get locked down. I am letting Quopi do his thing with these stakes. So let me go on the full details and we'll go from the top to the bottom. So I have 3 up top, 2 that have a 0 time period. So we'll move on. Over here we have one that's been staked for 2 days and it is averaging a 3.13% right now. As a reminder, the staking period is 30 days. So you can read the number by the first number being the amount of days and the second number being the amount of time. So this one is 2 of 30, still has 28 more trading days to do. I'm going to stroll a little bit and now we have 1, 2 that are locked down for 3 days. And they have achieved, one of them has achieved a 4.68 and one has achieved a 5.68. We skip over to the one on the 7 days and it has achieved a 13.80% in those 7 days. Now we come down, we have 2 that are dealing with 10 days and 1 that's dealing with 11. The 2 that are on 10 days are averaging the same as 20.63. The one on the far right for 11 days is a 22.35% return. Let's bring up the other 3 that we were not seeing earlier. And all of these have been locked up for 11 days. So we're achieving a 22.35% return over 11 trading days. Remember, trading days does not include Saturday and Sunday. So everything is looking well with how Quopi is performing. And you can also go over here. I never do it, but click on notices and you can see the notices will tell you things about your account. This one says I started a stake. This one tells me a profit was received, and it just goes on down the line with different things you could read there. All right, everyone, I believe that is all I have for today. So you all continue to make those passive earnings out there and have a good day.